Serving in the line, jersey number 8, Phil Cayetano. Yes, good serve by our main setter to the open bar. That is Kainglet. Yes, with a push to the open. Blocked by Lasakat to the open with a turnaround. Yes! Hip breaking with a serving jersey number 8, Tata. Gaon to the open, jersey number 12, dug up by Sean. 1-2 play by Lasakat. What an early stare down one in favor of the serving team. Tata still making into the service line. Yes, walay choice ball to Japan. Kabente to the, with a push, yes. Middle with a push. Kabente looking for the opposite. Tat Golosino with a, yes, that is inside. Still serving in the line, Tata. Good receive, setter looking for the opposite. Goal! Good serve received by Joey. Lasaka, yes, come up. But that was not good. Make a way for Lasaka serving. Good receive to the setter. Yes, miscommunication. I'm speechless there. Whoa! Attack by the open. Good serve, but that sails outside. Serving, Hitler King. Yes, good serve. That is a down the line service aid. Yes, 1-2 play by the setter. Arrow line, Hitler King. Good serve, nice receive. Setter to the open. Bang on. Open that. Yes. Good serve by Joey. Nice receive. Setter looking for the open. Serving Bongkales, jersey number 0. Red with a misreceive. Yes, both are good. Hitler looking for the open. Ren. Yes, also in play. Setter looking for the open. That sail serving jersey number 2, the win. Received by jersey number 12 to the middle. And team captain ball. Hitler, Tata to Ren. Yes! Gain respect for our players.
Oy, part of the sport. Gali, puro kuno gani kanchaw.
Also in play, Admirals earning 2 point lead. High ball, Tata looking for Lasaka! Yes, Ren! Our team captain ball native from Purok 4, Purok 5 rather. Middle, yes! Middle in nowhere. Open, go on! Yes, Busso in play, Levero to the open! Block once again! Setter with a 1-2 play. Kabente! No way! Captain ball from the back. Serving, team captain ball. Runs in a pass. Yes, good serve! Service A. 49 Ren.
Di ko yaw. Ako ay nagpawala yun
To
na
the open! Team captain ball for clarification. Setter serving. Good receive from Jason. Tata for the middle! Setter, jersey number 8, Phil. Bad serve. In some previous Gold Hunters. Hitler King, Phil to the middle! Yes, that is jersey number 15, Lasaka. That is the bad serve. Yes, good serve, handled by Renz. Tata looking for the middle. That is outside. In 16, serving the O. Renz, Tata to Hitler King, doing Kingpin. With a jump serve. That sails outside. 17, 2-point lead by Team Admirals. Renz with a slide. Jersey number 12 to the open. Yes, whistle and play. Jersey number 8 to Joey. Yes. Got it. Golosino. Yes, good serve. Nice receive. Setter looking for the opposite. Kales serving. Almost a service A. Serving with Setter looking for the opposite with a push. Renz was there. Field to Renz. Renz with an attack. Dug up by Gaom. Setter to the open. Yes. Free ball. Tata to the middle. Middle versus middle show. Serving in the line. Galanza. Galanza almost a service A. Setter with a 1-2 play. Nice save by Dewey. 1-2 play once again. Why are you? Charez. Dewey. Tata to the middle. Yes. Lasaka with a jersey number 8. Good receive. Setter looking for the middle with a slide. Yes. To the opposite with a slide. Golosino. Yes.